time to repaint the sign, Mechanicals. Blue, can you please get the green paint and take yellow up on the roof to help? Oh dear, Fiona's had a bump to her bumper. Come inside and let's fix it. Green, we'll need the extra strong glue, please. The glue isn't meant to be green. Blue and yellow must have the glue. Quick, red, get up to the roof. Oh, poor Red. We'll have to get up on the roof another way. Oh dear, what a sticky situation. Let's get you free before the glue sets completely. Fiona, can we borrow your hose, please? Don't worry, Mechanicals. We'll soon have you free. Great job, everyone. Fiona and I both look brand new.